Hello guys, if you wanna connect printer to your Samsung Galaxy S20, for the first you have to go to the settings, click on the connections, and there is the option with the more connection settings, and click on the printing, and as you can see there is default print service, so click on it, and right now our smartphone find the HP color LaserJet, so when you click on it you are going to connect. But if you have any problems, you can also download plugin from the Google Play Store, and if you have, for example, the brother printer, just click here, download this plugin, install, and you will be able to connect to your printer. So thank you for the watching, leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.